In times of shifting governments and changing leaders, it is easy to feel unsettled. Fear and uncertainty loom over our minds as we consider the implications of new policies and a different ruling authority. However, we must remember the steadfast nature of our faith. As it is written in Hebrews 13:8, Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. This scripture assures us that while the world around us may change, our God remains constant, unshakable, and unwavering in His promises. With every election cycle, messages of hope and change fill the airwaves. Politicians may deliver impassioned speeches promising to reshape our society, yet despite their best efforts, the heart of mankind cannot be altered by legislation alone. In a world rife with turmoil, we must anchor ourselves in the truth that our real hope does not originate from human hands. It is rooted in something far deeper. As Psalm 45:6 proclaims, "Your throne, O God, will last forever and ever. A scepter of justice will be the scepter of your kingdom." We serve a king whose reign is eternal, transcending the temporary circumstances we witness. As we navigate the complexities and challenges that each new government brings, let us turn our hearts towards the Word. In Isaiah 48, we are reminded, "The grass withers and the flowers fall, but the word of our God endures forever." And this verse serves as a beacon of hope, grounding us in the promise that God's truth will never fade. His decrees provide steadfast guidance no matter the political climate. Therefore, instead of fearing the unknown, we ought to embrace our faith and trust in the divine plan that is already unfolding before us. In conclusion, as society evolves with each new governing body, let us not lose sight of the truth that God is unchanged and unchanging. We are called to stand firm in our beliefs and use the Word as our foundation. Remember the words of 2 Timothy 1:7. "For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a sound mind." Let us face the future with confidence, knowing our God reigns supreme and His promises endure beyond the constraints of this world. In Him, we find our strength and hope regardless of the change surrounding us.